Organizations dealing with oil spill response always face a problem of choosing proper sorbent relating to existing situations. Scuba Group company has created a unique all-service oil sorbent as a SORB. We are observing how the sorbent as a SORB is functioning in a laboratory environment. Oil spill is being distributed on the water surface. Then they are spreading the sorbent on the oil spill. In a matter of minutes, the sorbent is absorbing the oil. As a result, we are watching how the water surface is being cleaned out of the oil products. The sorbed oil does not stick the bottom. We are demonstrating one of the methods of sorbent as a SORB application in water. One part of clarifying basin is enclosed by containment booms. The equipment for sorbent applying and sorbed oil collecting is installed. The equipment consists of a muddy motor pulser and a jet gun. The demonstration begins with the black strap spill on the water surface. There is a protection buffer zone being created around the oil spill with the help of the motor pulser, the jet gun and the sorbent. The treatment is being conducted from the edge to the center. The process of oil spill enlargement is localized. The oil spill started to change into a doughy mass and then is being pumped over a hanging polypropylene packet. During this process, one of the properties of the sorbent as a SORB is used, namely to keep oil and to be separated from water. The treated water is draining through a woven packet and then coming back to water basin. The SORB black strap is ready for further processing and salvaging. Now, with the help of animation, we are demonstrating a unique property of the sorbent as a SORB in the process of building a protective buffer zone in the coastal area. An oil spill, impelled by the wind, is moving towards the beach. The sorbent as a SORB is being dumped in the water. Oil is interacting with the sorbent, consolidates and loses its cementing and sizing properties. The oil movement is fully blocked. The sorbed oil is being enclosed with the help of floating containment booms. After that, it is being pumped over into polypropylene packets and transferred to a place of further processing. As a result, the coastal area remains absolutely clean. We are demonstrating the technology polluted area purification. The oil-polluted coast is being treated with the sorbent as a SORB. The defined water area is being enclosed with the containment booms. The sorbed oil is being washed out into the water with the help of a water jet. After that, by means of a sludge pulser and a loading hopper, the sorbed oil is being pumped into the hanging polypropylene packets. The desiccated mass is being transferred to a place of further processing. This process is repeated until the coast area is clean. The role of the jet gun can be played by tidal wave. We continue operational test of sorbent as a SORB on firm surface. The oil is being spilled on the surface of all porous asphalt. The polluted land is being treated with this sorbent. In a few minutes, the emerged oil spots are retreated. In approximately 15 minutes, the sorbed mast is ready for salvaging. This process is repeated until the complete treatment. With the following experiment, we are demonstrating the possibility of oil multiple separation from sorbent as a SORB in centrifugal machine, where the main working principle is to separate liquid by means of a centrifugal efforts. This approach can be applied in either stationary manufacturing installations or mobile ones. The oil is being poured into a container with clean water. After that, the sorbent is put on its surface. An artificial barbotage is used here for the process acceleration. The barbotage also helps to elicit the properties of the sorbent to effectively work in conditions of bad weather, tidal waves and strong current. The sodden sorbent is easily separated from water and pours into a common juice extractor, where the oil is being parted from the sorbent due to centrifugal efforts. The sorbent as a SORB possesses a unique property of flotation persisting for decades. The oil is again poured into the water container. The sorbent is not combustible and does not change its properties under the influence of ultraviolet rays. In a short period of time, the sorbed mass is separated into oil and semi-dry sorbent. Both these components are ready for use. We repeat this process again. The treated sorbent is poured out on a blank sheet of paper and reapplied on an oil surface. There are no any oil taints left on the sheet of paper, which certifies its high degree of purification. The process of oil sorbing is repeated. While the repeated lapping is taking place, we will tell you about other properties of the sorbent. The sorbent as a SORB might be used in any meteorological conditions, in either fresh or salty water, with oil blanket of any thickness from extra fine rainbow-colored membrane to a heavy one sunk to the bottom. Obtaining such qualities as mechanical resistance, resistibility to any damaging effects, the sorbent does not require special storage conditions. Its usability allows eliminating the damage caused by an accident without human participation. Its high holding capacity enables to transport the sorbed mass to a place of further processing without any worries. Now we are observing the result of the laboratory work. After 2 cycles of centrifuge expulsion, the sorbent has not lost its sorptive qualities, did not precipitate or pollute water. The drained oil is ready for further processing. As a result, we get oil prepared for multiple reuse. The sorbent as a SORB is emptied into the aquarium. We are observing an absolutely normal reaction from the fish. A few days monitoring proves that even if there is a big amount of the sorbent in a rather small amount of water, it does not influence the health and behavior of the fish in any way. The oil is being poured into a container with water and ice. After that, the sorbent is put on its surface. An artificial barbotage is used for process acceleration. We are immersing the ice with a grit. The sodden sorbent is easily separated from water. As a result, we have clean water, ice and sorbent which are ready to reuse. The oil is spilled on the ice surface. The contaminated ice is being treated with the sorbent as a SORB. In about 5–15 minutes, depending on ambient temperature, oil stains are easily cleaned off from the surface with a brush. The bear was affected by an oil spill. It has been treated with the sorbent as a SORB and delivered to the room. We begin the cleaning process. The sorbent is being applied on the plumage and then gently scrubbed with a soft brush. The process is repeated till the bird is dry and acquires the ability to swim and fly again. As we can see, the bird is trying to shake off the sorbent while cleaning. Now it's completely cleaned and can be safely returned to the nature.